favorite comments that I like is a comment by Fred Wilson where he says, he works with a 1/3 rule, which is that 1/3 of the investments he invests in will fail, 1/3 will be mediocre, and the other third is where he'll get his returns. And what that does is sort of landing the message that when it comes to innovation and creativity, you just never know what resonates. And so the best way to find good ideas is to have loads of ideas and then embrace this notion that there's an interaction between the idea that you have and the person having the ideas and the society in which they throw the ideas into, and how that society responds to those ideas validates whether that idea is going to have traction or not. And to the extent that those ideas have traction, then they're much more likely to become successful. But the creator themselves, it's hard for them to predict the winning idea on day one. And so while the startup founders always have a commitment to their idea, the venture capitalist does not have that level of commitment. They're making bets, and they're only hoping that 1/3 of the bets they make bring the returns, and the other 2/3, whatever, right? And so it's a really interesting ecosystem, because if you then try and translate that to a large company, then it becomes kind of strange, because who's the VC and where's the ecosystem of ideas? And how do you replicate that acceptance of failure? And how do you tell a CEO that they can't pick a winner when they've based their career on trying to pick a winner? So it's a really interesting dynamic that you have to deal with there.